Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're a Toyota Land Cruiser 200 owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Toyota Land Cruiser 200 models from 2008 to 2018. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might face with your car. And that's it for today's guide on the Toyota Land Cruiser 200 2008 to 2018 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Toyota DIYs and car maintenance tips. Have any questions, or have you encountered any fuse-related issues in your Toyota Land Cruiser? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.